Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we would like to write a program that clears a vector. In order to clear a vector, we first need to declare a vector. So we have a vector of integer, it's called numbers, and it's 7, 14, and 25. So there are 3 elements in it. In order to clean a vector, we simply are going to use one function that is called clear. Using a clear numbers, which is the name of the vector, dot clear in empty parentheses, we are going to remove all the elements of the vector. And when we run, we see that the numbers dot size, so we are the function to give us the size of the vector. When we type it down, it says that there are 0 elements in the vector. So this is how vectors are this is how much vectors are flexible, and we as you see here, we removed everything in the vector and the size is reduced to 0. This is the flexibility of vectors that we don't have them in arrays.